Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a clear decision and setting a start date. This anchors progress. Once chosen, tell one trusted person and set up accountability. That social check reduces relapse risk. Remove quick triggers immediately, block access, uninstall apps, and enable device limits, because environment shapes behavior. Then schedule immediate alternatives. A 15-30-minute walk, reading, or hobbies to fill the gap. This combination of commitment, social support, and environmental change starts breaking the automatic cycle and gives you momentum. Once the initial steps are in place, you focus on reshaping daily patterns so old habits have no room. Build a consistent routine. Set wake, work, exercise, and sleep windows, because structure reduces idle vulnerability. When cravings appear, use 10-20-minute mindfulness or urge surfing techniques to observe and let them pass. This weakens conditioned responses. Track your behavior with a daily log and celebrate 7-day streaks while mapping high-risk times so you can pre-plan coping moves and steadily replace the habit loop. To finish the transition, you consolidate gains and create a maintenance plan that anticipates setbacks. Weekly reviews let you refine triggers and coping strategies so improvements stick. Make sure to strengthen social support and rewarding alternatives. If progress stalls or cravings intensify, seek a therapist or peer support group because professional guidance accelerates recovery. If a relapse happens, do not wallow. Analyze what triggered it, reset your plan, and restart within 24 to 48 hours. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reduce exposure, add accountability, and ask for professional help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.